Let's go to see the activities for chapter 3. First one, we have to calculate the mean. We have to calculate the summation of x first, which is 6 plus 19 plus 8, which is 54. And then for the mean, we have to divide the summation of x over n. So 54 divided by the 6 observations, this is going to be equal to 9. So the correct one is B. Problem number 2, we have the same data. We look for the median. Step 1, we have to put the data in order. 3, 6, 6, 8, 12, and 19. We have again 6 observations. So in this case, the median will be the average of the 2 middle observations. So the median will be 7. So the correct one is D. Problem number 3. In this case, we have to calculate the mode, highest frequency. We have 2 6s, and everything shows up once. So in this case, the mode will be 6. So the correct answer is C. The fourth one, we have to calculate the range. The maximum is 19. The minimum is 3. As a result, the range will be equal to 16. 19 minus 3, which is equal to 16. So the correct answer is B. For problem number 5, we have to calculate the standard deviation. So step 1 is to calculate the variance. So we have to calculate summation of x squared, which is 6 squared plus 19 squared plus 8 squared. This is going to be 650. Summation of x, which is from the previous problem 54. And we have to take the square of 54. So this is going to be 2,916. And then we have to use the formula for the sample variance. Let me write the formula. Summation of x squared minus summation of x squared over n minus 1. This is 650 minus 2,916 over 6, and then you divide by 5. If you do this calculation, this is 32.8, but don't forget, this is going to be the variance. For the standard deviation, we have to take the square root of the variance, which is going to be 5.727 or 5.7 if we use 1 decimal. So the correct answer is going to be A. Number 6, we have to calculate the z-score, which is x minus mu over sigma. X is 15, the mean is 24.4, over the standard deviation 6.5. So if you do this calculation, this is negative 1.45. So the correct one is B. Let's go to see the last two. Problem 7, we have to calculate first Q1. and then we have to calculate the third quartile. The index will be 25 over 100 times 9. We have 9 observations. So this is 2.25, and we have to round up to 3. So the first quartile will be the value of the third observation, 6.72. We have to repeat the same step for the third quartile. The index is 75 over 100 times 9, which is 6.75. We round up to 7, so the value of the 7th ranked observation will be 31.24. So the interquartile range will be the difference between Q3 and Q1. 31.24 minus 6.72, which is going to be equal to 24.52. So the correct one is A. And the last one, the box and whisker plot for the first quartile. You see this is the minimum, Q1, Q2, Q3, and the maximum. So in this case, for the first quartile will be 18. So the correct answer is B. And these are the activities for chapter 3.